palms and fingertips gently to press and fold. Avoid digging or hard pressing. If too wet, let the dough rest for a few minutes to absorb excess moisture. 3. How can I prevent the incense charm from sticking to the mold? Molding shapes the charm and creates patterns. Prevent sticking for clean results. Anti-stick tips. Lightly coat the mold inside with plant-based oil using a cotton swab or small brush. Use just enough oil for a thin layer. Too much affects texture. Press dough firmly and evenly to fill all mold details. Remove mold by gently tapping or flexing edges and lifting carefully. 4. How long should I dry the incense charms? And what's the best way? Drying time, 3 to 7 days, depending on temperature and humidity. More humid means longer drying. Environment, cool, shady, and well ventilated. Avoid direct sun or heat, which dry surfaces too fast and cause cracks. Setup. Lay charms flat on a drying rack or clean surface, with space between pieces for airflow. 5. Why do cracks or breakage occur, and how can I prevent them? Common causes: uneven moisture, some parts too wet or dry, insufficient kneading causing weak structure, pressing not firm enough, leaving air pockets, drying too quickly from heat or sun, hardening the surface before inside dries. 6. How can I ensure clear, beautiful mold patterns? Evenly apply a thin oil layer inside the mold. Keep moisture balanced, not too wet or dry. Press firmly and evenly to fill mold details. Remove molds carefully at the right time to avoid damage.